Okay, here's a case where they might have ran out of shingles or ran out of time or didn't know what they're doing, I don't know which. But it was cut on the wrong side, wrong contour, and nailed in terribly. Although in this case you might have to put a nail in, but still it'd be better to do something like that on these. So we're also going to oil this ridge, and we had done this a few years ago. This was a really bad job over there, so I had to quickly one day fix it. So I'm going to go over there and do a little cleanup on it. Mainly take those points off, put little 45s on them, maybe put a couple more screws in, and just make it look a little bit more professional. Take a little bit more time at it. And then we're going to continue our oiling right up through and then over there. And you can see the one we did already. Looking really good.